Leslie's video and Mommy's video, we're making, I don't know, but Mommy will
We are going to make a simple recipe. You need hard-boiled eggs,
yes,
avocado, salt, and pepper. And we're going to make a gluten-free, dairy-free egg salad with some healthy ingredients. All right, so first you're going to take and you're going to use, hopefully this is going to work, a potato masher and mash those eggs.
Yeah, I love this one.
Okay. Yes, keep going.
I like this.
Smash it. All right, let me help you there, buddy. You gotta start eating more of these eggs because they have protein and vitamin D, and we need to get you strong like bull. Okay.
And bite.
And wow, yeah. Okay. So we mashed up our eggs real good. Okay, you're gonna do the next part. All right. So we're gonna take an avocado, and we're gonna cut it up. Ooh, okay. We're gonna open that up. Put some avocado in there. Avocado is a healthy fat, good for you. And there's plenty
I just farted.
Okay, that's great. It's good. All right, so thanks for sharing. All right, mash that up for me, buddy.
This?
Yeah, mash that up.
I love mashing.
You love mashing.
Yeah.
Careful, keep this stuff in the bowl though, okay? Good, keep mashing it up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Mash that up real good. Ooh, hands. Huh?
Hands clean. This is a fart video.
No, we're not. Okay, so we're gonna mash that up really good. So you're using the avocado to replace the egg?
No, not the egg.
Oh, not the egg, the mayonnaise. Thank you. Thank you, my cameraman, Dr. Pete over there. All right, and then we're gonna add a little salt.
Can I have some salt? I really want some salt because I want to put it in.
Put that in there. And we're gonna add some pepper.
Pepper.
And we are gonna enjoy our avocado egg salad. Come take a look at that. Delicious, healthy for you.
Oh,
Okay,
look at my hand.
hope you guys enjoyed.